Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today we'll be talking about Brave, how to make money online in 6 easy steps. Step 1. Install the Brave browser. Step 2. Open an account on UPHOLD. For full activation you need to complete KYC and transfer some currency to the account, for example €10 or US dollars. Step 3. Go to Brave rewards and sign up. Step 4. Log into your accounts. Brave creators. Step 5. Connect your UPHOLD account. Step 6. Link your YouTube channel or your blog or your website. If you don't have one, you can quickly create an account for Brave. You have to be patient. Brave has to verify you, which takes from a few days up to 2 months. After verification, you will receive monthly BAT tokens that will be automatically transferred to your UPHOLD account, and from there you will be able to sell them and transfer money to your bank account. You can choose currency: euro, yen, dollar, etc. Every month you will receive 30 BAT, which you can tip channels on YouTube. You can also add a referral link on your YouTube channel. If someone uses it and installs Brave and you will use it for at least 2 months, you will get an additional 20 BAT. That's it guys, enjoy! You're welcome.